Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off hints in CarX Street. If you are in CarX Street and finding the hints or tips popping up too often while playing, then you can turn them off from the game setting in just a few steps. First of all, launch open CarX Street game on your device, and once you're logged in, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the top left corner. Now you'll come across this interface where you can go ahead and adjust different settings. From here, simply tap on the game option and under games scroll down and look for the hints option. If you want to turn off the hints, tap on the off button right next to hints. Once you have this option turned off, you'll be able to disable hints in CarX Street. Now you can exit this menu and continue playing. The hints should no longer appear during gameplay. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.